function kulla x oda value 5. So function kulla print பண்றப்போ it will be printing 10 plus 5. X oda value will be as 5 and we'll be getting the answer as 15. So இங்கே நம்ம ஃபங்க்ஷனை கால் பண்ணதுனால when we call the function the x value will be changed as 5. In the print statement we came out of the function, so in the x will be denoting the global x. So x oda value 2 தான். இங்கே print பண்றப்ப x வந்து 5 ன்னு எடுத்துட்டு it will add and it will print the value 15. So outside the function we called the x, so global x will be called, so the value will be as 2. So the output will be as 15 2. Thank you.